Hello, my name is Henry. I am 38 years old. I am a teacher. I live in a small and beautiful town. I wake up at 6 every morning. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I take a shower and get dressed. I usually eat breakfast with my family. I like eating bread, eggs, and fruit for breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee in the morning. After breakfast, I go to school. I usually go to school by car. I arrive at school at 7:30. I prepare my lessons before class. I teach English to my students. I enjoy teaching because I like helping people learn. I explain new words and grammar to my students. I also help my students practice speaking English. My students are friendly and hardworking. I always encourage my students to study every day. I usually have lunch at 12. I like eating rice, vegetables, chicken. I try to eat healthy food every day. After lunch, I return to my classroom. I teach more classes in the afternoon. I finish my work at around 4:30. After work, I go home and relax for a while. Reading books is one of my favorite hobbies. I like reading books about education and personal development. I also enjoy listening to music in my free time. Sometimes I watch interesting movies with my family. I like playing football with my friends. I also enjoy swimming on weekends. Sports help me stay healthy and active. In the evening, I sometimes cook dinner for my family. My favorite dinner is rice with grilled chicken and vegetables. I also like eating soup and fresh fruit. After dinner, I talk with my family. I usually prepare my lessons for the next day. I spend some time studying new teaching methods. I believe that teachers should continue learning. I sometimes take online courses to improve my knowledge. I also practice my English by reading and speaking every day. During holidays, I like going on journeys. I enjoy visiting new cities, mountains, beaches, and beautiful places. I like taking photos when I travel. Traveling helps me learn about new people and cultures. I usually travel with my family or close friends. At night, I read a book before going to bed. I go to bed around 10:30 and get ready for another busy day. See you soon. Bye.